Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to change the ringtone on your Motorola Moto G42. In the standard, every Motorola Moto G42 has the same ringtone, so everybody hears the same sound when somebody is calling them. Perhaps you should change this, and I will show you how to change this. We go here to our settings, and when we are in our settings, I will go a little bit down to sound and vibration. And here you can change the volume of the media, call volume, and so on and so forth. But if you go a little bit down, you can see phone ringtone SIM slot 1 and phone ringtone SIM slot 2. Remember, we have two SIM slots here. So if you have two SIMs inside, then you can choose a different ringtone. So that's pretty cool. So you can change here the ringtone and here another one. And then the next time somebody's calling you, you can hear directly if it's something perhaps for private or business. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I will go here to my phone ringtone, and you can see here it's at the moment Moto.
Hello, Moto.
And I can also change it to natural, to simple, to momentum, or hello. Okay, let's leave it with hello, and I can change it also the same for the SIM slot 2, so I'll keep it with attentive. And now you can see here it's hello and attentive. Okay, so I can now choose, will hear when somebody will call me on the SIM slot 1, because then hello will start, and on SIM slot 2 the attentive will start. So pretty cool. I think that you should look at this. You can also add ringtones. Okay, so if you have a ringtone, a sound file or something here on your device, you can also choose a song from somebody you like. I hope this video helped you a little bit changing the ringtone on the Motorola Moto G42. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye!